Good morning students, this is Pati ma'am from USCD DAV Public School, Maharajganj, and here I am to carry on my new topic, that was narration, and in it today I will be detailing the change of person. Okay, so the rules first. What does the rule say? The rule says to change direct speech to indirect. Change direct speech to indirect. The person means first, second or third, whichever, which are in inverted commas, changes as. Now the rule will come how in direct speech, when we change direct speech to indirect speech, how the three of the persons change. Okay, the first person changes according to the reporting verb. Okay, the first person, that is the subject. Second person changes according to reporting verb, that is the object, and the third person has no change. Remember students, these are changed accordingly. And now remember the 1, 2, 3 which I have pointed out in a box, that is the subject, object and no change. Okay, first person as subject, second person as object, and third person as no change. You should remember this sum. Okay, now to make it more clear, let me tell you according to the table. In this table you can see the person I have written first person, second person and the third person. In first person you can see I and we. It is the nominative case, possessive case. Nominative case, nomination over there. It is the subject. Okay, subject you are telling. This becomes the subject. The possessive case, possesses. That is the what is my and what is yours. Okay, the ownership comes in the possessive case. The adjectives and the pronoun. And objective case shows the object, whichever will be the object. Okay, now for more details students, I have also given some points to learn as of while dealing with the nominative case. See here, nominative case, what it is? When a noun or pronoun, whichever it is used as the subject. When a noun or pronoun is used as a subject of a verb, it is said to be the nominative case. Okay, subject which acts as a noun or a pronoun, whether it is a noun or a pronoun which is used as the subject of the verb, it is called the nominative case. In here the example you can see, Ram eats sweets. Ram is the subject for eats verb. Okay, now so this is the nominative case. Okay, likewise when we move to the objective case, you can see when a noun or pronoun is used as the object of a verb or preposition, it is objective case. Now the objective case, what is objective case ma'am? So here the answer is, see through an example. He eats rice. What does he eat? What does he eat? This is the object of this verb. This is the objective case. And now in over here I have written verb or preposition. This is example of verb, and now the preposition comes. I am going to him. In this sentence you can see this is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the preposition students. To is the preposition, and preposition has an object which is called the him, and it is in the objective case. Okay, the verb is over here, subject is over here. So you can see the whole structure. Now what is possessive case, which I described you a little in the box in the previous page. Okay, now the possessive case. What is possessive case? When the form of a noun or pronoun is used to show possessiveness, possession or relation, it is possessive case. Okay, now this is Ram's cow. Whose cow is it? It is Ram's cow. So the possessiveness, ownership comes over here. So it is always written in a apostrophe. For more briefing, I can be telling you to see some more examples which I have written here. See here students, in the first one you can see, he says to me. Here the subject, object. One sentence, he says to me. Over here, now this is the reporting verb. Yesterday we learnt it. Now in this sentence you can see, I am your friend. I is first person, your is second person. When we change this direct speech to indirect, how it will be? He tells me that I to he. He is my, you to my friend. The same thing, but the person changes over here. Okay. Likewise, in number 2, you see, he says to me, you are my friend. He is the subject, me is the object, you are the second person, and my is the first person. How it will change? He tells me that I am his friend. My to his. You to I. His friend. Okay. Likewise, in the third one, you can see, she says to me. What does she says to me? I am his sister. Subject, object. I is first person and his is third person. According to the table, you can see behind it. Now, she tells me that she am his sister, is his sister. The third person doesn't change over here. Okay. Now, accordingly, you can see, students, I have given you a brief introduction and hope in this short video I have been explaining you the change of persons. Do remember well, learn well, and meet you in the next video tomorrow. Thank you.